A lot of you guys want to know how good the self-cut system works. Does it work for you? Do it not work for you? What you like about it? What you don't like about it? Well, today we're going to figure that out. I'm going to tell you guys what I like about the self-cut system and what I don't like about the self-cut system. If I don't like anything, we'll see. Let's get into it. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Okay, guys, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. Not only am I gonna do a little product review for the self-cut system, but I'm also gonna be cutting my head. I'm gonna be doing a high top dread bald fade so y'all can see the transformation. But I'm gonna be explaining how I like the self-cut system or what I don't like about the self-cut system. So stay tuned. We're about to get into it. Let's do it. Okay, guys, first things first, we're going to start with what I don't like about the self-cut system. And it's not that much, but I would say that I wish that the lighting came with choices where you could flip through the switches and get different styles of lighting just in case your room is like a dark room. You could get like a pure white light. This light that I'm using right now is kind of like a blue filter light. It shows up kind of white on the camera, but it's most definitely a blue light, and it works really well with the lights off. And that's what I have in my bathroom. I have all the lights off, and I just have the self-cut system lights on. But I could say that I wish it had better choices. And another thing that I don't like is the hooks on the back. It's not really a click in, it's kind of like a hook and hang. You hang the rails on the door, and then you have hooks on the back of the self-cut system itself, and you slide those into the slots. That's kind of a hazard problem, especially for an expensive product. Or it's not really expensive, but I would say anywhere from $150 to $160 price range. You can get them cheaper than that, but you won't get the lights with it. But anyway, yeah, for the price range, I wish it was more of a snap in or a more secure way to hang the self-cut system on the door, because you could easily bump it off or unlatch it and it'll fall on you, and you don't want your mirrors to break. It's a delicate product, but for the most part, the lighting and just the whole hang up situation, it's not the best, but for the most part, it's a all around good product. There's not too much I don't like about the self-cut system. To be honest, those are really the main two things that I don't like about it. Having more lighting choices and having a better setup assembly. Other than that, those are the main two things. So moving on to the stuff I do like. You cannot beat the 3-tier mirror. It's a game changer to go from one single handheld mirror to 3, and it's hitting every angle. That is amazing. It's just like the mirrors that when you go try on clothes at a clothing store, and they have the 3-tier mirrors, and you can see every angle before you buy the product. That is a 100% win for me. Like that, it's amazing to be able to get your fades like great without your hands really getting tired, because that was what was going on with me before. I had got used to it. I had got used to holding that one handheld mirror, but after a while, your arm will start getting tired. You got to switch arms. You got to be versatile, knowing how to hold the clippers with your left hand and your right hand and switch it back and forth. But with the self-cut system, all you have to worry about is holding the clippers, and that is amazing. And you getting all the angles. So all in all, man, the self-cut system, I would rate it, to be honest, I would rate it maybe like a 97, 98%. If they could just change up those few things for me, that would be amazing. And I guess another thing that it's not necessarily something that I can say I don't like about it, but it would be dope if they could add maybe a wireless mirror or battery powered charging mirror, you know what I mean? So you could plug it up for a little bit and charge the light. That way you don't have a cord hanging around. You don't have to worry about tripping over the cord or anything like that. So I would suggest maybe in the future doing like a chargeable mirror, to come with the lights. But all in all, man, the Selfcut system is a phenomenal product. If you haven't got you one yet, most definitely go pick you up a Selfcut system. You can get it at Amazon. You can go directly to their website, selfcutsystem.com. They have an Instagram page. Just type in Selfcut system and it'll pop up and everything is there for you. But yes, man, most definitely check it out, man. I'll even drop a link in my description box. So if you like it, go check it out and tell them Trey sent you. Well, guys, this is the video. Tell me what you think about the cut. Tell me what you think about the Selfcut system. If you have one, what you like about it, what you don't like about it, drop it down in the comments, man. Make sure you smash that like button and give your boy a subscribe. Man, come join the team. Come join the family. Let it marinate, man. We running it up. All 2020, we dropping bangers. Every Tuesday, you can check out a video from your boy. So, all in all, the haircut came out pretty good. I'm loving it. You know what I mean? If y'all like these haircut tutorial videos, come subscribe to your boy. I'm dropping videos every Tuesday. You can check me out. I'm gonna run them up across the screen right here, so go check it out. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Come follow your boy. But anyway, it's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity. I'll see you guys on another video. All right, peace.